Hello my dear professional friends. Last week we discussed about section 1 of audit quality maturity model. Today let us discuss about section 2, that is human resource management, which takes care of 150 marks out of total 600. 52 marks of this section relates to employee training and development. Existence of firm policy for training of partners, paid employees and other staff, and its implementation has 42 marks. Please note that the marks for implementation of the policies has to be calculated year-wise for 3 years. Then standards for recruitment and their implementation has 5 marks, and policy and mechanism for appraisal and its implementation has 5 marks. The next subsection, that is qualification and skill sets of employees, takes care of 28 marks. Existence of policy for undertaking post-qualification courses by chartered accountants and their implementation has these 28 marks. The marks for implementation once again has to be calculated year-wise for the last 3 years. Then resource turnover and compensation management takes care of 21 marks. Calculating and monitoring employee turnover ratio and taking measures for minimizing it has 8 marks. Giving compensation as per defined approach, mapping the qualification, knowledge and experience has 6 marks. Existence of mechanism for listening to views of the employees and suggestions of them is 4 marks. And celebrating special occasions, festivals, annual day, etc. has 3 marks. Please note there are negative marks for non-compliance with labor laws like PF, ESI, gratuity, maternity leave, etc. Total negative marks can be maximum of 5, and this is the only part where negative marks are there in section 2. Another 21 marks are covered in policies and practices. 4 marks each for leave policy, appointment letters issuing, orientation of new joinees and exit interviews for employees who are leaving the firm. Then 3 marks for defined roles and responsibilities of support functions staffs like accounts, admin, IT, etc. and existence of register for client dissatisfaction and complaints and speedy disposal of complaints has 2 marks. KPIs has 16 marks, 4 marks each in 4 different categories, that is performance evaluation, written KPIs for performance evaluation, then predetermined method of measurement and evaluation of KPIs, then defined frequency of evaluation and evaluation of engagement partners as per the review partners reports. All these has 4 marks each, total 16 in KPIs. 12 marks are covered in resource planning and monitoring as per firm policy. There are 6 marks for employing professionally qualified employees and another 6 marks for having adequate mix of qualified, semi-qualified, non-qualified, support staff and article assistants. This is the mix of 150 marks in the human resource management. Friends, next week we shall discuss the last section, that is section 3, digital competency. See you next week. Thank you very much.